Okay, so now I'm going to add some mozzarella to the stuffed pepper mixture. My mom always put it in, my aunts, my grandmother, so it's just something that we always did. And it's very delicious because just like meatballs, when you bite into it, you get a little piece of mozzarella, and it's really delicious. Okay, so we're going to put mozzarella in here. Get that in there. And now, we like fresh garlic in ours, so I don't know if you guys like fresh garlic. If you don't have to put it in. But by using the little shredder, makes little pieces of garlic, so if you're not big on big pieces of garlic, in your food, then this does wonders. Okay, so just use a little bit of that. Put that in there. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to add some moisture to the mixture. It makes it, it's very important that you put water in it to make it very moist, because if there's no water in it, it'll be very tough and tight, and you won't like that. Okay, so I'm going to use the tools that I have are my hands. So I'm going to mix the mixture up. You don't want to kill it when you mix it, because if you mix it too much, it's going to become tough and it's not going to be good. Okay, so give it a couple of mixes. Now, if you see it's very wet, and it's supposed to be that way because you want it moist. The wetter it is, the moister it is. If that makes sense. Okay, so there's a trick that I have that I'm going to give away right now. When I make my meatballs and when I make meatloaf, what I do is I take a little, let me wash my hands quick, don't get it on everything. I take a ladle of marinara sauce and I put it into the mixture. It just gives it a little flavor, and again, it makes it moist. Okay, so you mix this up. Get it nice and moist and together. Everything is together. And I'll do a quick wash in here. A little soap. And my dish towel is non-existent right now. Paper towels. Okay. So what I'm going to do is move on to the peppers. Now, growing up, my mom used to use bell peppers. Not really a big fan of those. Kind of like Cubanelles better. So I'm going to use Cubanelles. What I'm going to do is cut the sides off. Then I'm going to cut it long ways. Cut it long ways down the middle. Move this out of the way. And how Rachel Ray has her garbage bowl, I have my garbage plate. I put all the seeds and stuff into the plate, paper dish. Very convenient. Just throw it out afterwards. Keep it side by my side. Okay. And cut the other one up. These you can save, these little pieces, for like, I don't know, you put them in your eggs maybe, or, I don't know, peppers and eggs, scrambled eggs, something. You can use it for something. Okay, we'll cut this one up. These are really much better than bell peppers because they're very sweet and they're not that strong tasting. They're very sweet, which is what you want. Okay, so we got the peppers assembled. In the garbage it goes to clean up. Oops. Okay, I'm hurting people here. All right, so now what we're going to do is I'm going to take this dish. I'm going to put some marinara sauce on the bottom of the pan. Just to cover the pan. You don't have to put too much in it. Okay, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a spoon and I'm going to load the chopped meat into the pepper. Now, you can put a little, but us Italians, we like a lot. So I'm putting a lot. Okay. Load that up. As you can see, the meat's going to be oozing out. And it doesn't have to be perfect. You're having people over, you can make this meal. It's very quick. Literally, it's assembled. I mean, you could assemble it in 10 minutes. In the oven, 40 minutes, 45 minutes on 375. And it's done. You get a little mashed potatoes with it. Rice. And it's a delicious meal. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is put a little bit more grated cheese on it. And put a little bit more marinara sauce on it. Again, don't kill it with the marinara sauce, but you like a little bit. And a good rule is, when you're going to put something in the oven, is to preheat the oven to 375. And I didn't do that, so I'm going to do that now. 375. And it goes in for about like 45 minutes, as long as the meat is cooked through and the pepper is soft. Some people like the peppers softer than others. I happen to like it very soft. It's delicious. Put it in, 45 minutes, and it's done. So we're going to wait for this to be done, and I'll be back soon, and we'll show you the end product. Okay? Thanks a lot.